Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore having class and dive into a detailed explanation. So the purpose of using having class is it is used to filter group records based on condition. So which means having class filters the rows after grouping. And it is important to note that having class always used with group by class, but where class can be used without group by class. So here I have created a table and named as orders, and also I have inserted some data into it. So let me run this query and see the table. So from this table you can observe that some of the customer names are repeated. For example, Robert Lee is repeated for 4 times because he bought 4 different items, and Jane Smith is repeated for 3 times because he bought 3 different products, and this column is the total amount spent by the customer name. We have our sample data now. Let's dive into a having class with an example. So in this example from the orders table, I'm going to retrieve only the customer names whose total spending exceeds 1000. Let's try the query. So select customer name, comma, sum of order total, from table name orders, and I will use group by class, group by customer name, and I will use having class, having sum of order total is greater than 1000. Order total which is greater than 1000. So from this query, the group by class will group the records based on customer name column. So in this column you can see the customer name Robert Lee is repeated for 4 times. So the group by class will group this customer name and sum the total amount spent and displays in the output. And having class will filter the grouped records and selects only those with a total spent is greater than 1000. So let's run this query. Let me run the query again. So output will display the customer names and their total spend. So these are the customers whose total spent is greater than 1000. So having class filters the rows after grouping, and having class always used with group by class. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.